Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh. I can't take y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more. That's all.
Self-control, please.
I guess you don't have to drive after all.
Я понял, Вейт. Ай.
It's okay, gordito. You sleep, babe. No way they're gonna come this pigeon. Yo!
Oh, you're pretty. Oh, we know. Oh, sweet. Yeah, you are.
You're joking. Holy please stop doing that.
Neldy! A gdzie ty wygulał?
Kobe. What?
Just enjoying my food and then this little crazy.
Savannah, you like your popcorn?
You see, petting the dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do.
Are you kidding me? Boys.
Are you serious?
So somebody left a water hose dripping on a dock, and them manatees are up here just drinking away.
Let's go, man.
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
Tonka, come. Come on. Come on. Primrose. Prim. Prim. Stop, stop, stop. Prim, Prim. There we go.
Hello? Anyone home?
Check it then. Check it then.
Are you hungry?
I'm here for you. Ain't no me. There is not a me in the world. Come on, Papa Putty. Yeah!
Can you? Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back.
What are we doing right now?
We think Ember swallowed Mom's diamond ring. Hang on. So I'm checking for the chip. There's
That's
the
her chip.
There's the ring.
One of you get him. He's cleaning himself. The little baby is cleaning himself. And are you kidding me?
Dude, what's that noise coming from your boob?
I don't know.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maybe we should give it back.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
His name is... Really? Really?
Okay, no, hang on, move. You gotta hang on. Okay, wait, come back.
Why are you doing this?
Non, mais n'y retourne pas. N'y retourne. Non, bébé, vraiment pas. Non. Kat, viens là. Kat.
Yes, high five. Wait, no. High five.
Put the goat down. Drop the goat. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you? Dude.
Oh, he's my best friend.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Patient. Oh, patient.
Rappelle-les, on les attache maintenant. Rappelle-les et il va arriver un accident. Elles vont se faire charger, ces connes. Vite.
No lo quiere dejar salir. No lo quiere dejar salir. No quiere que salga, quiere seguir jugando. Sigue bañándote, dice.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Sit. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw.
Did you two feed that dog any Doritos?
No, Mummy.
Maggie?
Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? You're so cute.
I got bit! Oh!
Bad boy. Look. You're a bad boy. Hey, good. What? What's wrong? I'm sorry.
Did you see him chase me?
Abschließen. Und das sagt der süße Hund dazu.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Oh, mais Emma, attends, mais t'as un truc sur toi là, mais c'est quoi? Mais qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, mais je suis choqué. Mais c'est quoi? Mais tu l'avais pas vu?
Welcome to Penn Station, New York. Please watch your footing and hold on to your handrail for your safety. All small children by the hand.
You don't want to go down, there's a rat on it right now.
Get it, Chris. Kill it. What the Goose. Go woo. Go woo.
So I brought the groceries in, and one of them has chicken legs in it, and Captain Ron's decided to guard the chicken legs.
You want to see who's full of soup? Look at her. Soup.
Jesus Christ.
You can have a black eye, man.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, they know we watching.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
You liking the snow out there, buddy? Ooh, shake it off. Good boy.
So my mum's got this stray cat that hangs around in her garden we call Boise. When it rains, we don't see Boise for days, so I decided to get him a little something. With a little bit of DIY, we built him this hutch that he can sleep inside of. Sure enough, there's Boise, tucked up, nice and safe, inside his new home.
I want the ball.
The rain. Oh, Jesus! Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday.
It's your kitten.
Oh my God! Oh, jeez, that looks good.
She's yours?
No way.
Yeah.
Are you serious? That's so beautiful. Oh my God. You know what her name is? What? Are you called her? Lulu. Lulu.
What happened here? Did you do this? Did you do that? No.
Sweetheart, do you want to get out? Do you want me to help you out? No.
Move. Oh, wait, I take it back. Okay.
Did you just eat an entire carton of eggs?
Frank. Frank, you cannot do that. Frank, you can't do this.
Look it, we're helping you. Go, buddy. You can do it.
No. No. Get off the counter.
Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now.
She's gonna get bullied for this one.
Back on the
Aww. Go ahead and jump and oh dang it. Okay, let's try again. Back it up and jump and dang it. Let's see. Oh, I did it!
Così nella nube.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a ball of love. Oh, it's like
Can you rock?
My stepdad really wanted a dog. My mom really did not. 5 minutes later.
Oh my goodness gracious. What? You're gonna break the house.
It's pretty cold.
Loves it, eh? That's awesome.
Went up and down in about 20 times already.
Hey, I bet if I did that a few times,
Her face is hilarious when she does it.
Come on, let's go.
The security system, plus video surveillance and mobile control, all professionally installed.
Nande?
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Really good. All right. If you want to watch more of my videos, compared to those flowers.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest on board today.
This way. Oh, she'll climb up in the skimmer. Watch her.
Everything's just gonna like turn around now.
Go to sleep.
You cheeky go-go. So nice.
Okay. Alright, you win, let's go.
Okay, I don't. Mango looks like she's not having a good time.
Wait.
I don't know, guys.
Hi. Oh, you're a beautiful baby. But, oh, Chico. Chico. Good morning, Chico. How are you today? Ow!
Just a little bitty duck. My dad used to rock me.
Come on, you got this. Step on your.
Be nice. Ow. Stop. Hey. Hey. I'm a piranha. Okay, you're not, actually.